Hello guys, let's step into the realm of artistic wonder with Leonardo AI, the picture app that turns your imagination into breathtaking reality. Let's unleash the power of AI and let's create some stunning artworks and masterpieces for yourself or for anyone of your choice. From portraits that capture your essence to landscape that transport you to distant realms, Leonardo brings your visions to life with a mere touch, just like Leonardo da Vinci. Say goodbye to ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Let's work with Leonardo, guys. No, guys, that was very cheap promotion. I know that. But guys, I don't have any other way to explain this. This is one of the most awesome tools that I've used in AI. I use this thing regularly, guys. Everything that you're going to see in this thing, folks, I use most of them. And I've tried and tested that on myself 100 times, 1,000 times. I'll not say million times because it wouldn't make sense then. And that's the reason why you're having all these tools in this course by me, to you, for you, so that you can have the most of AI in your life, in your business, and in your day to day working. Folks, probably I think this is a much better version of AI than any other, even better than you have this thing called, what is that, stable diffusion, or what is that? The AI image generator. What's that even called? I don't even Mid Journey. Yeah, Mid Journey, guys. This is Mid Journey. Yeah, Mid Journey. Look at that. This is Mid Journey level of picture. This is Mid Journey level of picture. I'm going to zoom this thing up. Look at this one. Look at this picture. High realistic, high definition. Everything is fantastic and impeccable. It's impeccable. It's the pinnacle of success. It's the pinnacle of artistic perfection at the peak of the Himalayas. That was too much, yeah. But look at this picture, guys. These are so cool pictures. You can download them. You can literally download them. No one's gonna stop you, just like any other AI tool. This is all like for yourself. Have fun. Now, the best part about Leonardo is that every day you actually get something like 150 coins accredited to your account every 18 hours. So you can actually, I didn't use it today, so I still have the 150 coins left. I'm probably going to use it now. You can use it, and every 18 hours the coins are going to fill up. And if you are done with that, you can buy a little pro version. We're going to talk about that in the next lecture. But folks, this is really easy. You can sign up with your email. I've signed up with my email. What you can do is that you can say that you're already in the wait list, and you can put your email and password, and it'll start working. That is how I did it, and it worked. That is how you can do it as well. You can put it your video, your pictures, your you can use other people's pictures, no problem. You can have text. You can have you can actually have anything, and this is how easy it is. For example, I'll give you an example. Let's type in lion, okay, and I'll search about lion, and within a few seconds you'll see the best of the lion pictures pop out, even better than the internet pictures. Look at this picture, dude. Look at this picture. Lion in a samurai's way. Are you mad? Are you crazy or what? This is stunning. This is really, really stunning. You will never see these things on the internet. You have never seen that. That's why AI made it possible. So we're going to dive in deep into this thing in the next lecture, which will be really fun. And I can't wait to play with this thing with you all. See you there.